Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Bright D.C. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, December 1, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ang ating series which is about leading by example in the family. At ngayong araw po ito po ang huling parte ng ating series. At specifically, ang magiging topic po natin for this day is about Lordship of Christ. Now, ang ating scripture po ay magagaling sa John chapter 13, verses 13 and 14. Sabi po rito, basahin ko po, "You call me teacher and Lord, and rightly so, for that is what I am. Now that I, your Lord and teacher, have washed your feet, you also should wash once another feet." Ngayon po, ating bibigyan ng kahulugan pa kung ano ibig sabihin ng talatang ito sa pamamagitan ng ating teachings for this day. So, unang teaching po natin, Jesus leads by example. Namuhay po ang ating Panginoong Kristo dito sa mundo para mag-set na example sa atin kung paano mamuhay bilang mga tao, bilang mga tagasunod ng ating Diyos. Maliban sa pagsakripisyo ng ating Panginoong Kristo para tayo ay maligtas, pinakita rin po ng ating Panginoon kung paano tayo mamuhay dapat bilang mga tao, bilang tagasunod ng ating Diyos. So, isipin niyo po kung babasahin po natin ng Biblia, pinakita po doon kung paano pinakita ni Jesus, kung paano mag-forgive, magpatawad sa mga kalaban, sa enemies. And also, Jesus shows kindness to outcasts, and mas inuuna po ng ating Panginoong Kristo iba kaysa sa kanyang sarili. So, makikita niyo po na Jesus was very patient, compassionate, and nakafocus po siya on doing God's will. So, sa ganong pamamaraan po, naipakita po ng ating Panginoong Kristo ang pagiging model niya kung paano po dapat natin sundin ang mga kautusan ng ating Diyos. So, bakit ito mahalaga? Para syempre makita ng mga tao kung paano dapat tayo mamuhay bilang mga tagasunod ng ating Panginoong Kristo. Ikalawa, we're called to follow Jesus' example. So, we are not left to figure out on our own. Actually, Jesus invites us to follow Him. Merong step by step. In simple terms po, being a Christian means looking at how Jesus lived, and let's start asking ourselves kung paano natin magagaya ang ating Panginoong Kristo. So, bakit po ito mahalaga? So, napakahalaga po nito kasi it is about progressing. It is about improving ourselves. So, learning to love like how He loved us. So, serve like how He served us, and trust like He trusted. So, think of it as becoming more Jesus-like in your everyday actions. So, sa pangatlong katuruan po natin, Jesus as Lord means belief plus obedience. So, kapag follow po natin ang ating Panginoon Kristo, we have to recognize Him as Lord, our ultimate guide and leader. So, meaning po, believing in who He is, the Son of God, and showing that belief through our actions. So, dapat nakikita rin po sa actions natin na talagang naniniwala tayong siya ang anak ng Diyos, ang tagapagligtas natin. So, paano po natin ma-apply ang mga turuan na ito? Ngayon po tayo pwede dako sa ating application. Una po, be a role model for others. So, kailangan po natin maging role model para syempre makita po sa atin kung ano ang binago sa iyo ng Panginoong Kristo. And syempre kapag nakikita nila na maganda ang buhay mo bilang tagasunod ng ating Panginoong Kristo, syempre may inspire mo sila, mahahatak mo sila, at sa pamamagitan nito mas dadami ang mga tagasunod ng ating Panginoong Kristo. So if you want to lead others toward Jesus, you start by living out what you believe. So you show kindness po even when times are hard, and you stay patient tough situations, and then let your faith guide your decision. So when people see difference in you, ayun nga, gaya na sabi ko po, you can inspire them to want to be like you. So application po, pangalawang application, imitate Christ one step at a time. So following Jesus po, it doesn't happen overnight na basta sinabi mong tagasunod ka ng Panginoong Kristo, biglang lahat magbabago agad. So hindi po ganoon. So it is a journey. So spend time learning about Him through the Bible, kasi ang Bible po natin yun ang manual ng ating buhay. So praying and asking for His help kung paano po tayo mag-grow. So for example, maybe kung ari sa work, isipin niyo po kung paano nagpatawad ang ating Panginoon Kristo. So even when it wasn't easy, kailangan po nating i-practice kung paano tayo patawad. So maybe you're working up on being more forgiving. So yun, minsan mahirap talaga magpatawad, pero sa tulong ng gabay ng ating Diyos, talagang mas mapapadali, kasi mahirap talaga kung wala kang Diyos sa buhay mo. Pero once na meron kang Diyos, unti-unti marirealize mo na talagang masarap kapag marunong kang magpatawad, kapag wala kang galit na kinikimkim dyan sa dibdib mo. And lastly po na application is live like you're His. Finally, remember that being a follower of Jesus isn't just something you do, but it is who you are. So your identity is connected to Jesus Christ. So meaning dapat you are loved, valued, and called to make a difference. So kapag pinahalagan mo yan, you can live with boldness and joy, na knowing na yung life mo is merong bigger purpose. Okay, marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.